Do you want to be able to fix Instagram hashtags not working? Well, then you have come to the perfect video because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do firstly is to come to my Instagram app. As you can see, so I'm currently on my Instagram app right now. So in here, what you need to do to be able to fix the Instagram hashtags not working, well, actually, the first step is going to be for us to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we're now like taken to this page right here, right? So what I'm going to do in here is to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. And perfect, as you can see, we're now taken here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to just scroll down, as you can see. So keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help. It's very important, so click on help in here. And as you can see, we're now taken to this page. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says report a problem. So basically, you need to click on the first setting in here, as you can see. So click on the first setting. Now click on the blue button where it says report a problem once again. Now I'm going to click on include and continue. The reason why you need to be taken to this page right here is because you will be able to contact the Instagram support in here basically, and in here they will be able to fix this issue. So I'm going to actually contact them like this. So I'm going to write my Instagram hashtags is not working. I need this to be fixed. If my account is shadow banned, this needs to be fixed. Basically, you need to write exactly like this. A lot of times, the reason why hashtags is not working is because we are basically like shadow banned by Instagram, unfortunately. So we need to like include this as well. So basically, I'm going to write my Instagram hashtags is not working. I need this to be fixed. If my account is shadow banned, then this needs to be fixed. Basically, exactly like this. Then click on send in the top right corner. What you need to do after that is like wait about 1 to 3 business days for Instagram support to see this, and hopefully after that this should be fixed for you. So basically this is exactly how to do this, and please don't forget to leave a like on this video, and also if you want to subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that actually might be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching and have a good day.